Okay. Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel and happy holidays everybody. So on today's video I'm going to talk about how to grow your YouTube channel like other channels, you know, like TikTok, Facebooks, how people are growing they're doing follow to support each other. So if you are a new YouTuber or a small YouTuber, you want to grow your channel on YouTube, so you should all gather here and subscribe to my channel and share my video. I'll come and do the same to your channel. So if you want your channel to grow, you must come to my channel, you subscribe, you comment, you like my videos, you also say done, and then I'll come to your channel. I'll do the same to help each other. Let's support each other so we can grow. So in this channel I do a lot of videos. I do funny videos and cooking and my hair routine videos, home remedies. So stay tuned and please guys, please watch my video and comment, share, like. I'll come to your channel and I'll do the same. So if you are small YouTubers and you really want to grow your channel, you should support other small YouTubers so we can also grow together. So come into my YouTube, you comment, you subscribe, you share my videos to, I don't know, to WhatsApp, other platforms you have. You will just share my video and then I'll come to your YouTube. I'll do the same. You just say to the comment section done, and I will see that you really do that what I'm saying. You comment, you share, you like. I'll just come and do like 3 of your videos. I'll like, I'll comment, I'll share them. I'll do the same. So if you really want to grow your channel, just gather here and let's support each other, guys. Because there is no way you're going to somebody who has a 1 million or a 400,000 and comment and they can return to your channel and say thank you. Not all of people can do that. Not all of them, they can come to you and subscribe to your small YouTube. So you should come to my small YouTube and do that, and me, I'm going to return the favor. I'll do that to your YouTube. So guys, please, let's support each other. Subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and be notified whenever I post my video. You'll be notified. And thank you for watching my video.